Hello YouTube, we are doing the final removal of our headliner. We're going to go ahead and repair it at the workshop. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe. You're going to go ahead, you're going to pass, where are we passing? To Jujisa. So let me go ahead and help him on how to remove it gently. Let's come here.
Olabanga weeridde era kudda buzzi wansi kintu kigakudda buzzi wansi olaba tebagikola era engera giwetamu tosobola kubamu wasinkiomufulayo bagiwetamu dda kwata wano ku nsonda eno waggulu waliwo waya
So this is the design that we are going to go and change. This is a mercedes-benz CLS 300. Yeah, so we are going to head to the workshop and redesign this to the styling of our design that we used in the seats. This is black, so let me go ahead and see what they're going to do at the workshop. So I'm going to give Frank and take the... So he says he's going to remove this so that it stays in the car. So he has removed the light, the center lights. Then these are going to stay in the car. Then we go ahead and change. Yeah. So this is what we have here. So I'm sweating a lot, it's too shiny and I have to work like a professional. I can't remove my overall, but I can do. So I'm going to just do this. Yeah, this is John Galiwango and we are at the JFBS Speaker Interior Designers, and this is a mercedes-benz CLS 350. Yeah. And we have been removing the headliner, they have worked on the seats, and this is looking nice right now. So it's going to go ahead and take the... So we're going to finalize here and see how things will go. So we are going to go to the work